ecoFinish. I always thought this product over time would contaminate the water and affect the homeowner. Do you believe this would be the case with ecoFinish?
I do not believe that to be the case at all. I think water chemistry does crazy things to everything, and it breaks everything down, and because you have a non-permeable surface, you have a much better chance of not having things break down underneath. I think of plaster and how concrete is affected by water. All of that's dissolving into the water. You're getting all kinds of things in the water, even like in a vinyl liner pool, because it's impervious to the water, you're not getting all those contaminants added. So I don't see this product being any more harmful than anything else. And if installed properly, it should last for an awful long time and shouldn't be an issue.